a Creole banjo bitch from Louisiana.
Good morning, Anne from Sweden here. You're welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you my first AI kit. I'm so happy. It's not advanced at all. I just start to learn AI in Canva. So I'm going to show you. You get 11 pages, and there are some pockets, tags, and then you have some hearts and journal cards. So we start over here with a little rabbit and a beautiful meadow, and here we have 2 cards, you can say, with writing space, a beautiful rose with text in the background, and here are, you can do whatever you will, stamping, writing. And to get everything even, I printed this 2 times. And here we have a bouquet of beautiful flowers, and I have put on some distress so it is a little bit old. And here are my dolls. I had to see how the dolls turns out in AI, and I think it's, you have this when you're kid, you cut it out, and yeah, and she is lovely too. And here are the cutting out papers. So here are the doll again. She's hiding a little bit. Beautiful roses is layered, and here you have some other flowers that look like they are cutting out and put it out just that. And here are another one, and here we have a beautiful thing. So that was the kit. And then I start with showing you the big ones. You have the girl and the girl, the 2 envelopes. Like that. 2 big pockets. And you have 4 journal cards. We're thinking to glue them on an envelope or something. We see where we goes. And tags. Some big tags. You can, I think there are, you can have them in there, yes. So 4 big tags. And here are small tags. As well. Hearts. I was thinking to have some stitches around my little rabbit. Heart again, a little bigger. And pocket, as you see, those are suitable in here. And pocket again. So my friends, enjoy. Bye.